planted this shrub earlier in the year. It's a Nandina Domestica heavenly bamboo called Gulf Stream. What's really nice about this is when it comes out with new leaves, they're normally this orange red colour. It's starting to put a bit of new growth out past few weeks. Grows to about 1 metre tallish, so it's quite a compact shrub. So it's good if you've got a smaller garden, but it does add a lot of ornamental value, particularly with these orange leaves. I think it does better if you give it some sun. Not sure whether these leaves are going to be as red if you had it in a really shady spot. Here it gets afternoon sun, so morning shade, afternoon sun. So I think it's getting enough sun to give us this colour. But yeah, this is a really reliable, no fuss plant, and I'm looking forward to seeing this grow over the next few years.